So in an inverse function, if a function of f takes a to b, then the inverse function of f takes b to a. And pretty much what it's saying is just if the function of a is equal to b, then it's the same as the inverse of f of b is equal to a. And pretty much for the first problem, it's asking for the inverse of 4. So we would just go to the graph and draw a line and just see where y equals 4, and then go down to where what x equals, and it's x equals 4. So that's for the first problem. And then for the second one, it's asking for the f of the inverse of 2. So we would go where y equals 2 and just draw a line, and then go down to where to what x equals 2 and x equals 3. So that's for 84. And for the second one, or the third one, would be f to the inverse of 0. And we can just draw another line, and then x equals 2 right here. And then for 86, it's asking for the f of the inverse of negative 2. Then we just draw another line, and f of inverse of negative 2 would be at 0 because x equals 0. And then f of the inverse of negative 3, you can draw another line there. Okay, and then x would equal negative 2 right here. And then f to the inverse of 1, or f to the inverse of negative 4. Draw one more line to show where y equals negative 4, and it reaches it at negative 4. So that'd be negative 4 for 88.